Look around you for a second. The chair you're sitting on, the floor beneath your feet, the phone in your hand. Everything feels completely normal, but there's an invisible force holding it all together. Gravity. You can't see it. You can't touch it. Yet it controls every second of your life. Now imagine something impossible. Tomorrow morning you wake up and gravity is gone. Not weaker, not reduced, completely gone. At first, nothing seems different. You open your eyes, you take a breath, then something strange happens. Your blanket starts floating. Your pillow drifts toward the ceiling. Your phone rises into the air. Within seconds, panic spreads everywhere. People begin floating off the ground. Cars lift from roads. Bicycles, trees, animals, and buildings start losing their grip on Earth. The planet has suddenly lost the force that keeps everything attached to it, and things are about to get much worse. Right now, gravity pulls you toward Earth at nearly 10 meters per second every second. Without it, nothing stays where it belongs. Entire cities become chaos. Airplanes no longer fly. They drift uncontrollably through the atmosphere. Ships rise from oceans. Water itself starts behaving strangely. Rivers leave their riverbeds. Lakes slowly lift into the sky. The oceans begin expanding outward. But gravity doesn't only hold objects down. It also holds the atmosphere in place. The air you're breathing right now exists because Earth's gravity prevents it from escaping into space. Without gravity, the atmosphere starts leaking away. At first, it's slow. Then it becomes catastrophic. Molecules of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide begin drifting into space. The sky slowly grows thinner. Breathing becomes harder. Hours later, millions are struggling for air. Days later, Earth's atmosphere is nearly gone. The blue sky disappears. In its place is the blackness of space. And that's only the beginning. The moon suddenly loses its partner. For billions of years, Earth and moon have danced together through space. Gravity keeps them connected. Remove gravity, and that relationship ends instantly. The moon drifts away, never to return. The tides disappear. The oceans become unstable. Marine ecosystems collapse, but an even bigger disaster is unfolding above us. Earth is orbiting the sun because of gravity. The sun's gravity constantly pulls Earth inward, while Earth moves forward through space. This balance creates an orbit. Take gravity away, and the orbit ends. Earth shoots off into deep space, like a stone released from a sling. The planet begins traveling into the darkness between stars. At first, temperatures remain normal. The sun still shines behind us. But as Earth moves farther away, sunlight grows weaker. Days become colder. Weeks become freezing. Months later, much of the planet is covered in ice. The oceans begin freezing from the surface downward. Plants die. Food chains collapse. Life starts disappearing, and there is nowhere to escape. Gravity is also holding Earth itself together. Every mountain, every continent, every layer beneath your feet, all compressed by gravity. Without it, the planet begins changing shape. The atmosphere is gone. The oceans are frozen. The crust starts cracking. Deep underground, Earth's interior shifts in ways never seen before. The world that existed for billions of years begins falling apart. Eventually, Earth becomes a frozen, lifeless object drifting endlessly through space. No cities, no oceans, no forests, no animals, no humans. Just a silent world wandering through the darkness. And that is what makes gravity so incredible. Most people never think about it. It doesn't make headlines. It doesn't glow in the sky. Yet every breath you take depends on it. Every step you make depends on it. Every ocean, cloud, mountain, and living thing depends on it. Gravity is not just another force of nature. It is the reason Earth is Earth, the reason oceans stay in place, the reason the atmosphere surrounds us, the reason planets orbit stars, and the reason you are not floating into space right now. So the next time you drop your phone or jump into the air, remember something strange. The most important force in your life is completely invisible, and if it disappeared tomorrow,